how to change or reset your Cash App Card Pin. Hey everybody, in order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So for that, you may open up your Cash App application on your screen, log in into your account, and you should be finding this interface. Now from here, what you can do is simply tap on the profile icon at the top right of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, here under account and settings, you should be finding a menu. Now from the given option, select the option called security and privacy. Go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, here you will be getting security lock option, which needs to be turned on if you want to change. So right under it, you should be finding option called change cash pin. So go ahead and tap on that option called change cash pin. After that, you need to enter up your previous cash pin that you had. Just go ahead and enter up the 4-digit cash pin first. After that, it gives you an option to enter up a new cash pin that you would like. So that is how you basically change your Cash App pin. If you have forgotten it and you want to reset it, the only option available is you need to head back to the same page, the settings page, and then go ahead and scroll down after you reach over the profile page and look for the option called support. After going over the support, you may scroll down again and head over the contact us section with the chat option. Go ahead and tap on it. And then after tapping on it, you will be taken to this inbox section. You may go ahead and take the support of Cash App in order to reset your Cash App pin. So that is how you basically do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.